Hello lads. I wanted to apologize for the voice in the video, but as I suck in English I have to use Google Translate. KKW. That said, today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to make Warzone run slightly more responsive and smoother. First, let's remove the apps in the background and remove services that unnecessarily tire the PC. Deactivate the apps in the background. As you can see, let's go to the control panel, hardware and sounds, manage devices, system devices, and look for the high precision event timer item. And let's disable it, as this process consumes a lot of CPU unnecessarily. Okay, that's one thing, it's done. Now, let's go to description and you will find a mega file. In the mega file there are keys to disable some useless functions such as Cortana or Xbox Game Bar. I advise you to make a backup before doing this, as if you are not satisfied you can go back. Another important thing, but in my opinion it changes little, is to give priority to the game on the video card, because I tell you that it changes little. For the simple fact that technically Windows already does it by default, but anyway I show it to you anyway. Then Windows key, let's look for graphics setting. Get here, select the Warzone X as I do and give them priority over the video card. If then while you are playing, maybe you use another gem Discord and go to the game overlay settings, it is to disable the function as the overlay consumes meaningless resources. After which we must also remove the hardware acceleration, so always go to the settings, advanced is to disable it. Perfect, that's it. Now we have to see the game settings side, as here we will dwell a little bit. Then put the internal borderless screen first so you can hide byte without still picture problems. Perfect the rest, put everything low, as you can see, because on a FPS game, the less details you have the more responsive the game is. I almost forgot. If you have an AMD video card, I recommend these options as they are the best for Warzone in my opinion. Well guys, this video has come to an end too. If the video has been of help to you, I invite you to leave a like and a comment. Thanks for watching, we see you in an upcoming video.